Thoughts on putting up a business with friends?
Oh my goodness. Don't. No. Pag friends kasi, no, malaki yung possibility na masira yung friendship nyo. Lalo na pag relative. Pag friends, pwede pa. Pag relative, di ba? Paano pag nagkaroon kayo ng conflict sa business? Every reunion, nakikita kayo. So, hindi ko naman sinasabi na huwag, pero be careful. Now, pag magbe-business kayo ng friends or relatives, kailangan black and white. Nakalagay talaga, no, kung ano yung mga, terms and conditions. So, ano rin yung mga responsibilities. And pag nagsara yung business, ano din yung responsibilities natin. Kasi madalas pag nagsara yung business, hindi nilalagay doon kung ano yung ating mga, di ba? Ano yung mga liabilities for each person. So maganda pag nagbe-business tayo with friends or family or partners per se. By the way, just to put it in perspective, in my career in business, I've had I think more than 50 different partners from different businesses. The most would be 10 in one business. So talagang headache. So kailangan meron isa sa inyo na final decision. Hindi po pwedeng equal shares kay lahat. Merong isa dapat pinakamalaking share. And pag nag-lock kayo ng decisions, siya yung final decision. Kailangan terms and conditions, and also once na we put it in writing, alam din natin kung ano yung inyong mga each responsibilities. It will keep you more disciplined because pag ikaw lang, di ba, halo-halo, business personal, pero pag partners yan, kailangan disiplinado ka, tapos shared yung risk nyo, and then yung mga abilities nyo, you would be able to contribute in your business kasi you have your own skills, you have your own strengths na maaaring wala ka nun at meron yung mga partners ninyo.